Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. The usual life cycle of web application testing is as follows. 1. Analyzing test requirements. Understanding the web app's specific requirements is the first step of any successful testing process, especially as this gives the team a rough idea of which tests they should conduct. This also highlights the skills that would be necessary to complete these checks. 2. Planning the tests. Defining and planning the tests themselves can be quite lengthy, but it's important the team takes its time. This ensures that the team has the resources and knowledge for every individual inspection and can design an effective testing schedule around this. 3. Developing test documents. Good documentation is at the heart of web app testing. This lets everybody involved understand each problem they encounter while checking the program. The documents serve as helpful guides across this process. Most importantly, they help illustrate issues and their causes to developers. 4. Setting up the environment. The testing environment that a team works within might significantly affect the results they gather. The testers should make sure this includes realistic data sets that replicate average user inputs. This may involve setting up a test server or calibrating test devices. 5. Executing the tests. With preparations complete, the testers execute their checks and examine every facet of the program to make sure it works as intended. These tests specifically look at the application's functionality, performance, usability, compatibility, API, and more to see if any changes will be necessary. 6. Closing the test cycle. After completing the checks to a high standard, the quality assurance team ends the test cycle and compiles an extensive error report. Some of this information can be automated depending upon the team's approach. This offers numerous benefits and streamlines the bug reporting process. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.